This mistake ruins tile installs, even when everything looks fine at first. Most tile failures don't start when the grout cracks. They start long before the first tile is ever set. Cracks, leaks, and mold almost always trace back to one overlooked step: substrate preparation. You can buy the best tile, the best grout, and the best fixtures, and still end up with failure if what's underneath isn't right. Tile is rigid, it doesn't forgive movement. If the surface underneath isn't flat, stable, and properly built, stress builds over time. That stress shows up as cracked tile, popped grout, or loose floors. Not right away, but eventually. Most homeowners are told to focus on tile choice. If the foundation is wrong, the tile will eventually fail. Here's the part almost no one checks. The mistake isn't the tile, it's what no one verifies before tile is set. Substrate flatness, structural deflection, proper underlayment, correct fastening, and whether the surface was even approved for tile in the first place. Once tile goes in, all of that gets buried. Grout and sealing mistakes are just as common. Layout planning is another overlooked step. Independent build risk review is in the link below. They come from water reaching places it was never supposed to reach. If waterproofing is skipped, rushed, or installed incorrectly, moisture moves behind the tile. You won't see it until damage is already happening. That's how rot, mold, and hidden repairs start, quietly. Waterproofing isn't optional, it's a system. And systems only work when every layer is done correctly. When those standards are ignored, failure is built into the job from the start. A good-looking tile job can still be a bad install. Proper prep seals off moisture pathways and protects the structure behind the tile, not just the surface you see every day. Most tile jobs fail industry standards, not because installers don't care, but because prep is rushed, skipped, or misunderstood. Homeowners rarely know what questions to ask, and by the time issues appear, it's too late to fix cheaply. Independent build risk review is in the link below. If you get the foundation right, everything above it has a chance to succeed. If you don't, no tile in the world can save it.